Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we will demonstrate what key dimensions are required for customizing a German-style EPS filling gun and how to measure them. We need to use a vernier caliper and a tape measure in the measurement process. Here are the dimensions that need to be measured. Length of the EPS filling gun head. Outer diameter of the EPS filling gun head. Inner diameter of the EPS filling gun head. Total length from the T-joint to the head of the EPS filling gun. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.